Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about simplification. So now I want to show you how to answer the square root that is about 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 distribute for number 2 and the square root. So that should be like this. So the square root that is about 1 over 2 again. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, that is about 1 over 4. And now if we repeat the process, so we have number 2 to the power of 1 over 4, number 2 to the power of 1 over 8, and so on in here. So this one we can put like this. Until we have 1 over number 2 to the power of n. So in this situation, we can use about the sum of geometric progression. So I will consider about this one in here. So we know that a number 1 that is about 1 over 2. And R that is about 1 over 2 because the second one they multiply by 1 over 2. So because R is smaller than number 1, we can apply the formula in here. And this one we have number 1. So that means this one here we got number 1 and we have number 2, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.